Hi, my name is Katie Leach, and I'm a librarian at Shasta College, and I'm going to show you how to do a search for literary criticism articles in Literature Resource Center. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Shasta College library homepage at shastacollege.edu/library. You can also Google Shasta College Library, and it's one of the first ones that pop up. That's usually what I do. Once you're on the library homepage, go to Articles and Databases, and then go to L for Literature Resource Center. Literature Resource Center provides numerous information and articles on authors and from all time periods and works. It includes essays of literary criticism and also some peer-reviewed information as well. So click on that to enter. It may prompt you for your portal login and username. So just whatever you use to get into Canvas, type that in and it'll get you right in. The next thing you'll want to do is choose Gale Literature Resource Center. From here, you can do an advanced search or search for your person or piece of work. So I am going to do a search today on Toni Morrison's Sula. Oops. And you can see it popped up under Sula novel. So you'll click that. And there's 111 literature criticism articles on here. So this is really great. You've got a metacritical and analytic reading of friendship in Toni Morrison's Sula. Names and a whole literary criticism on or critical essay on names and naming in Sula. So lots of really great ways to look at this piece of work by Toni Morrison and maybe get some ideas of how you might want to write about that, or just to help you understand the piece of work more. Now you can also, if you wanted to research more about Toni Morrison and just her entire body of work, you can do that as well. And they also have reviews, topic and work overviews, and then primary sources as well that they include. And those are sometimes interviews with the author, or sometimes it's, I have even found the author reading pieces of their work in here, which is really, I like that. But you might not use that in your research paper, but just something to point out that they may include. Now, if I wanted to get more on Toni Morrison, so I'm going to click on her name there. And you can see we've got a lot of things come up about her individual works and on her as well. And you can see here, this is Toni Morrison Papers Open for Research. So research that it's part of the Toni Morrison Papers through Princeton University Library. And you can see here, it says, has a check mark, and those are peer reviewed. So just, if you do need to have peer reviewed papers or articles for your research, you can look there for the peer reviewed. And you can also go to advanced search and check that off if that's what you need as well. Not all the articles in here are peer reviewed, and that might be fine for your paper. They are all critical essays that have been collected. They just may not be peer reviewed. So don't just dismiss them. Look at your assignment details, whether or not you'd want to use them. All right, so I'm going to actually, let's say I wanted to take a look at I'm going to just click on one just so I can show you how you can save an article that you want. So let's say I really want to use this and I want to come back to it. You'll want to make sure that you save your research. So you can do that. You can add that to your Google Drive or your Microsoft OneDrive. You can create a folder within that is only for like your essay, Toni Morrison essay, or something like that. You can also download it to your desktop. You can print it, or up here where it has like a little paper airplane means email. So email it to yourself, and you can also send it as the full text, not just the citation. The citation won't It won't give you the text of the article. If you need the citation, which is something every student is looking for, I get asked all the time, you can click Cite and get the MLA citation here for you. Now, on these computer-generated citations, double check them. They're often incorrect, mostly with like capitalization or where the pieces of information are. So just make sure to do your due diligence around this and make sure that your citations are accurate when you turn in your paper. Anyways, I hope that was helpful. It's a really great database if you're looking for literature criticism. So I hope that this tutorial helped you understand kind of how to search for the information that you need. And if you need help at all, please contact us on our homepage of the library. You can reach out by chat by clicking here. You can email us at askalibrarian@shastacollege.edu. You can call or text us at this number, or you can schedule a Zoom appointment with us by clicking here. So we hope to hear from you, and we would love to help you with your research. Thank you.